Tower, hello, Blue Streak 5511, visual 28.
Blue Streak 5511, Syracuse Tower, runway 28 for the land.
Clear land, runway 28, Blue Streak 5511.
There, 5421, Syracuse Tower, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28, there, 5421.
Syracuse Tower, ready, Captain Charlie Golf, Alpha Golf India.
Charlie Golf, Alpha Golf India, Syracuse Tower, landing at Millionaire Rat Beach on risk, use caution, not moving there.
Wait, who's cleared to take off on 28?
Charlie Golf, Alpha Golf India, Roger, proceeding to the Millionaire Rat.
Blue Streak 5511, Syracuse Tower, go around.
Going around, Blue Streak 5511.
Blue Streak 5511, enter left closed traffic, runway 28 for the land.
Left close traffic and clear land 28, Blue Streak 5511.
There, 5411, flight in 310.
310 on the heading, Endeavor 5421.
Responding to an R8, up, now we're clear, 5511.
There, 5421, flight in 280, contact departure.
280, Endeavor 5421. Over to departure for Endeavor 5421.
5421, Syracuse.
Did you want us over to departure?
Yeah, 280, contact departure.
Over to departure, thanks. Departure Endeavor 5421, level 4000, 280 heading.
5421, Syracuse departure, radar contact, climb, maintain 10,000, turn to left, heading 180.
180 heading up to 10,000, Endeavor 5421.
Blue Streak 5511, just giving you a heads up. We're going to go down towards the Sandies, come back around for 28.
That's that, thank you.
And for 5511, just to verify we're still clear to land 28.
Blue Streak 5511, affirmative, runway 28 for the land.
Clear land 28, Blue Streak 5511.
Yeah, just bad timing. Just if you have anything on your end.
I think I just got to do an alt report, that's all.
How's that?